In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to TurboTax. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to get to work. All you need is a reliable internet connection and the login details you already use for TurboTax. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official TurboTax website, or launch the TurboTax app on your phone or tablet. If you're using the website, make sure you're on the authentic TurboTax page before proceeding. If you're on mobile, confirm you've installed the official app from your device's app store and that it's up to date for the smoothest experience. Once the site or app is open, look for the Sign In option. On the website, it's usually at the top right of the page. In the app, you'll typically see a clear Sign In button on the welcome screen. Go ahead and select Sign In to bring up the login form. Now, enter your email address or your TurboTax user ID. This should be the same email or user ID you used when you created your TurboTax account. Take a moment to type it carefully and watch for common typos. If you have multiple email addresses, choose the one you've previously associated with TurboTax. If you copy and paste your email from a note, make sure there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end. Next, enter your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so check that your caps lock key isn't accidentally on. Type it slowly if you need to, and use the Show or Hide option if it's available so you can confirm every character is correct. If you rely on a password manager, allow it to fill in your saved TurboTax credentials to reduce the chance of a typo. For security, do this only on a device you trust. With your email or user ID and password in place, click Sign In to continue. Give it a moment to process. If everything matches, you'll be taken to your TurboTax account area, where you can pick up where you left off. If you don't get in on the first try, double-check both fields for accuracy and try again. Should you still have trouble, look for the built-in account recovery options on the sign-in page. But for now, our focus is simply completing a standard sign-in. That's it. You've opened TurboTax, selected Sign In, entered your email or user ID, entered your password, and clicked Sign In to access your account. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to move forward confidently.